Okay, for question number 1, we have 3 vectors presented on the left. We have W, U, and V, these 3 vectors. And we are asked to find out the 2V plus U minus W. So I am going to draw the vector out, okay, and then I'm going to find the direction vector of the resultant and also the magnitude of the resultant. So I'm looking at my V vector, okay. So my V vector, it's going to the left 2 units and up 3 units. Now this is not mandatory. You don't have to write it out. I'm just writing it out so that it's easier to see for myself. So I'm starting at the center, at the origin, and I'm going to the left 2 and up 3. But wait, hold on. It is 2V, so I have to double. So I'm going to the left 4 units and then up 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So left 4 units and up 6 units. That will be my 2V. Okay, 2V. And then I have to do the plus U. My U vector, it's, what is it? From -2 to 3. So moving to the right for 5 units and then moving up for 2 units. So I'm going to move to the right for 5 units and then up 2 units. So that will be my vector U, okay? And then I'm gonna do minus a W. So W is supposed to be minus 3, 0, since it's just moving to the left. But it is minus W. That means we are going to move to the right-hand side for 3 units, not the left, but to the right, because this is the opposite of W, so moving to the right. So from here, I am going to draw my resultant vector. And I would say my resultant vector is moving how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right. And then how many units up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 units up. Okay. Now, of course, you can cross-check your work with your directional vectors here if you want to do it that way, because you can say, well, 2 times V, all right? So 2V, it's simply -4, 6. And then U is what? U is 5, 2, and then -W. So you have 3, 0. So you can add all of them together. So you say, well, the X component will be 4 and the Y component will be 8. So the resultant would still be the same. So I provide you with 2 different ways of confirming that you got the correct resultant direction vector. And for the magnitude, so you can do 16 plus 64. 16 plus 64, that would give you 82 for the 82 for the number underneath the square root. Okay, so square root of 82 would be the magnitude.